Today's presentation is about Polu and Porkis built-in scrubbers. What are the points of attention when doing so? Today we're going to have a look at the attention points of placing a built-in air scrubber. I made a small breakup of the points we are going to discuss. First, the build and ventilation requirements, and after that, the insulation requirements. In this 3D model, you can see the basic design features of a built-in air scrubber. We have the pressure chamber, where the air is coming into the air scrubber. Secondly, the scrubber area, where the air is cleaned. The technical room, where the process is controlled. And here on the right, we have the acid and alkaline storage room. But first, let's have a look how we get the air into the air scrubber.